welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, it is going to be something completely different than I have done before. I've seen these videos everywhere. It's where you take your makeup and you write it down on a piece of paper. I've seen a lot of YouTubers use bingo balls, which I had a bingo machine, but I don't. So I actually have my makeup here in this bowl. But what you do is you take your makeup, you write it down, and whatever order you pull it out from, that is how you apply your makeup. And now I have anxiety right now because, well, not anxiety, but I'm a little like, ooh, I'm very particular with the order of my makeup and how I put it on. A lot of people are like that, where they like their brows before their foundation, which I used to be like that. Or they like their foundation before their brows. I'm a little anxious to see how this order goes. It could go in my way and actually be these steps that I take, but what kind of video would that be? That wouldn't be a fun video, right? So that is the makeup look that we're going for today, is the random order of my makeup. So I come with a clean face, somewhat clean. I did work today. Oh my god, can you see the bags under my eyes? Can you see the bags under my eyes? Oh, you can tell I'm a little tired. Bear with my imperfections. Okay, so let's get started. I'm excited, but I'm nervous at the same time. Alright, so I'm gonna do this so you guys can see I'm not cheating, and I will throw the paper away. So scared. I'm so scared. I'm so nervous. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is, okay, I'm not mad. I swear I didn't cheat. Is foundation. Okay. Foundation I'm going to use is the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. Now I'm using two different colors. I'm using the color in Chestnut and Spiced Almond because this one's not quite my color. It's more of a neutral base, where this is more of a warm base. I'm going to apply it with this black brush that I got from my Boxy Charm. I'm looking at myself, and I don't know if it's because I had makeup on earlier, so I took my makeup off, or because I'm applying this without primer. I don't know. I don't like the way it's sitting on my skin. I really am a big fan of primer, and yeah, I don't know. But we're gonna move on. All right. I'm so nervous. Mascara. Okay, so did add false lashes to my list. I will just do like a light coat of mascara because I am putting on false lashes. I added that too. I don't know why I added that stipulation to me, but I added it. So I'm going to go in with my Stila mascara, and I am going to just coat the top lash. Oof, I just hate my bottom lashes. Okay, I'm looking a little crazy, but mascara is on. Moving on. God, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Highlight. I'm going to go in with the Fenty Duo Highlight in Moscow Mule and Ginger Binge, and I'm going to mix them both. So here we go. This is actually a really, really pretty highlighter. Oh my gosh. It's such a beautiful highlighter. I love Fenty Beauty. They have such good products for all skin type, for all skin tones. We are all about equality and variety. Oh god, I did too much. So we are extremely highlighted. Extremely highlighted. Oh my god, I really didn't think it would turn out this bad. We'll see! Okay, I'm so... oh my god, please let it be concealer at least. And then powder. I'm so scared. Primer. So, I am actually going to cheat. Technically, I'm not cheating because it has primer in the title. So I'm going to take the primer water and I'm going to spray my face. Okay, moving on. Please let it be concealer. Please let it be concealer. Please let it be concealer. Blush. So for blush, I'm going in with the Ciate London. It's a marble light blush and burnt. And it looks like this. It's actually a really pretty blush. Since I did not use a primer or a setting powder, I can see the major imperfections where my foundation is laying. Oh my god, it's starting to break up a little bit. This is why you need a primer. So blush is on. I see it breaking up. It's just, ugh. I need my primer, okay? I need my primer. I needed my concealer right now. I need my powder. I need everything. Setting spray. Setting spray. And now I can't set my makeup at the end. So I'm going in with the iconic London Set and Prep Spray, or what? Prep Set Glow Spray. Oh my gosh. Okay, moving on. Next. Eyeshadow. Okay, so the ColourPop and I Love Sarah He collab. It's called Look Through My Eyes, or Through My Eyes, excuse me. And we're gonna use this palette. It is absolutely gorgeous. This palette is gorgeous. So that is what we're gonna do. Let's do my makeup. I look fucking crazy right now. I'm not gonna even lie. Like, the eyeshadow is because I did not set my face with powder. I didn't use a primer. The fallout is sticking so... Moving on. Oh my god, this looks so bad. Wait, did I already do that? Yeah. This looks so... Could you... I mean, I can't wait to do concealer to clean this shit up. I just can't wait. Okay, eyelashes. So I'm actually going to do my eyelashes off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on. I added a little bit of more yellow to the look just because the lashes were kind of blocking it. You guys, I look crazy. I feel like I look crazy. I look crazy. I look crazy. I look crazy. Oh, moving on. Please let me do concealer, bitch. I need to clean my shit up. Powder. Powder. Motherfucking powder. I'm going in with the Becca Hydra Mist, I think it's called. Yeah, the Hydra Mist. I'm in the shade Golden Bronze. I love this Hydra Mist. It is natural looking. It's light and airy. And it just hydrates. It's the most funny feeling when you put it on because it feels wet, but that's just because it's hydrating your skin. For my all over face, I'm taking the L'Oreal True Match. I'm obsessed with this, clearly. Look how much powder's left. And I'm taking my kabuki brush and I'm just going to dab it over the rest of my face. I'm taking the shine down a little bit. If you're really getting close, you can see my foundation is starting to break up. It didn't cover everything. You can see the stain from my eyeshadow fall out. It's just a hot mess right now. A hot mess. Next, there's only eyeliner lipstick, concealer, and eyebrows. I was like, what else is left? Okay. Eyeliner. Okay, so we are going to go in from Rimmel. It's the Scandalous Eyes. These are my favorite. These used to be my favorite liner. Oh my gosh. I would have it in black, brown, like any color I can get it in. God, I look crazy. I really, really do. Alright, last three, guys. Of course, concealer's got to be close to the end. Eyebrows is next. So, let's fill these bad boys in. Eyebrows are on. I'm not going to set them because I did not add to my choices. So, I filled them in. Moving on. It's looking, I mean, it's a little better, but it's not as good as I can normally do it. So, it's only two other options. All right, so I'm just going to pull them both out. The first option I have to do is, finally, concealer. And then the last option is always the last option that I do anyway, and that is lipstick. So, let's do my concealer. I'm going to take the Fenty 390 concealer. Normally, I would take a concealer to really highlight under my eyes, but I'm going to take this one that's a little more orange tone, so it's not so stock white and bright under my eyes. I'm putting liquid, then powder, then liquid. Ugh, I'm just like cringing right now. Alright, so we are going to blend this out. And I'm going to take a little bit. Okay. Okay, concealer is done. Yeah. Alright, moving on to lipstick. Today I am going to feature my Live Glam Kiss Me subscription. It's a lip service that I believe I talked about on several videos. I've been with this subscription service for probably a year now, and I have tons and tons and tons of lipsticks, and I do not have the same shade with the same finish, which is pretty damn awesome. And getting 3 lipsticks for the price of 1 sometimes is not a bad thing. And you get these cute little bags, which I keep them. I've mentioned that before too. I love to keep these bags. I am going to continue with strategy of I'm going to pick something out and that's what I'm going to use. And oh my god, I'm so nervous. Oh god. We're going to use this one. This is in the shade Royalty, and she is a frosty bitch. Ooh, she is frosty. Okay, so so here's the final. Okay, so I can't. Cut. Okay, so this is great. So here is the final look. It doesn't look too bad. I still think it's like, oof, I still think it is not my best work. But my lashes look great. My eyeshadow do not look that great. My eyebrows look pretty good. My under eyes look nice and creamy, but I need to set them. My lipstick is just fabulous. Yeah, I don't know. This was fun. I'm not gonna lie. This was fun to see what I would choose, what order I had to choose. It definitely tests your makeup skills. Yeah. This is the final look. So I want to go. So I want to go through the other lipsticks. What my other choices would have been. Oh, these are bright. Like, do they not know who I am? These are the other two shades that are bright as fuck too. And this one is in Lavish and this one is in You Fancy. So I am going to swatch them. This one is the shade Lavish, which that looks like concealer on me. These are really light. I don't like these. And this is actually the lip gloss, which wouldn't have been too bad. And that is in the shade You Fancy. So actually, let me put this over this and see if it does it any better. So this is the final look. I don't know what to say, guys. This has been real. This has been entertaining. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more quirky, funny videos like this from me, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. This has been truly an entertaining video to film, to say the least. I think I'm ready to like go clubbing or something because this look is, it's giving me life right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video and I will see you guys soon. Bye guys!